scenarios na
Well,
workable na?
ang dami, no? There are a lot of things to be done. Kaya nga minsan I'm disappointed. You know, there's a prominent aquaculturist, no? Who went into vermiculture instead when there are still a lot of things to be done in fisheries. Worms. It's important. I'm not saying that, no, it's not important. Aquaculture siya, di ba? So there's still a lot to be done when it comes to fisheries. Anyway, there's good market for fish, number one. No? Sabi ko nga, our per capita consumption of fish, no, as Filipinos, is about 55 kilos, no, per annum. Whereas our consumption for chicken is about 15, pork 12, and then beef about 5. So if you combine all these meats, no, mas mataas pa din yung consumption natin ng isda. And aquaculture came about because there's a need to eat fish, no? Kasi we know for a fact that we catch from the wild and then big, di ba? Pakonti na ng pakonti. And the only answer for this is that
gusto ko talaga kayo ng banana leaf cutting.
Ngayon, I'm glad that a lot of people are interested in aquaculture, no? We have a lot of farms who are into tilapia, no? Kahit sa tilapia yan, it's still good. Kasi it supplies it augments the protein requirement of the fish, of the people. About 60 pesos, no?
This is Lolo, and this is Miggy. Hi, Miggy. Smile. I can see your face. What's that? Hi.
Ano yung banana leaf?
And this is Tita Patty. I can't see Tita Patty.
Ano yung banana?
Naka-black pa naman.